One of the great things about being a maker is you can change your mind. Earlier in the year, I made this shelf to take to markets. It worked great displaying all the things I was selling, but I've changed what I need, so let's do something else with it. I think I'm going to repurpose it to display my vintage camera collection. I designed this so it would sit on the edge at the back of my table and it would clamp on. So I don't need these clamping blocks anymore. So I think I've got two options. I can cut the whole thing off, but I quite like the idea of adding a shelf to the bottom. I could add it like it is, but removing these blocks would be better. So I think we're going to try and do it on the bandsaw. I can set the fence to the thickness of the sides of this. Now I can flip it round, get this fired up and push it through until we meet the bottom shelf. So the four shelves on here have all been rebaited into place, but for this bottom one, I'm just going to butt joint it onto the bottom and screw it on. There we go. I've got an extra shelf on there. Now I need a way of getting it onto the wall, and I think I'm going to use brass mirror plates. I'm not going to fit these brackets just yet because where I've added this new shelf, obviously it's all a different colour. I don't like the brown wood for my camera stuff. It was more for the stall and the market. So I'm going to paint it all with a chalkboard paint. Paint's dry on this, so let's get it up on the wall. I'm just going to get this put up centrally on my chimney breast. So what I made also earlier in this year was this drawer unit to hold my camera stuff. So cameras are out. I've got a drawer full of lenses. I think they can go up there as well. Now I've got this mostly emptied out, I'm going to repurpose it again. Oh yeah, that fits there perfectly. And what I think I can get on it is all my Tormac sharpening stuff. Oh, there, that's going to keep everything nice and neat. This is on casters that lock, so I can pull it out, move it around if I need to. So, great two little things that were not really being utilised. The shelf just in the shed filled it up. I can't believe how many vintage lenses and bodies I've got. I keep buying more though, so maybe I need to build some more storage for that, or another shelf for that. There's room underneath and on the side, so I'll think about that. This is just going to be a neat solution for my sharpening. Having it all set up means I'll actually use it all the time rather than have to get it in and out when I need it. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.